Three senior government female parliamentarians are pushing back strongly against remarks made by PNP MP Nekeisha Burchell about House Speaker Juliet Holness. Burchell, speaking on the podcast The Fix, suggested the Speaker's enforcement of parliamentary rules reflects controlling behaviour, drawing comparisons to dynamics within a marriage. The comments have been widely condemned. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith described the statement as retrogressive, questioning how such views persists in 2026, particularly from a female parliamentarian. Education Minister Favour Williams says the remarks are inappropriate and diminish the standard expected of leadership in the House. Meanwhile, MP Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn says women must not be labelled negatively for asserting authority, stressing that such narratives undermine years of progress for women in leadership. The issue has sparked broader debate around respect, accountability, and the treatment of women in positions of power.